In today's video, we'll break down Nifty's climb past the 26,000 milestone, fueled by China's sweeping stimulus and retail participation. Stay tuned for key market insights and updates on buzzing stocks like Mandem, IEX, and AstraZeneca. Dalal Street finally got its historic 26,000 milestone, and this time the big positive catalyst and the upbeat news strangely came from China following a wave of stimulus announcements. Nifty Metal Index was Tuesday's star outperformer, up 3% after copper futures rallied to $4.35 per pound, hitting the highest levels in over 2 months. Well, capturing the Nifty 26,000 barrier for the first time ever makes a nice pretty headline to celebrate. Simply put, fear of missing out, FOMO, is seen ruling traders' mindset, with bargain hunting and value buying being the preferred theme. Our call of the day suggests Nifty 26,000 or Sensex 85,000 are just milestones along the way, and definitely not a destination. Bottom line, China's widest stimulus in nearly a decade is likely to continue boosting stock markets around the world, including benchmark Nifty. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2784 crores, while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 3868 crores. Bullish sentiments shall prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating higher high-low. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 to 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 13.39 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th September, is at 1.28 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th September, is at 1.15. Nifty outlook, uncharted territory shall continue to be the new normal. Nifty shall aim 26,000 plus. Nifty, CMP to 5940. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 25,800 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 26,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,900 and 26,100. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 53969. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 53,650 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 55,300 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,700 and 54500. Bias for the day is positive. Bull will now aim that Nifty conquers 26,000 milestone and Sensex closes above the 85,000 on closing basis. The positive catalyst driving sentiments, liquidity, and liquidity. Nifty 26,000 milestone is actually inspired by retail participation. The Aam Aadmi as mutual fund SIP accounts stands at 9.61 crores. Most importantly, the total amount collected through SIP during August 2024 was Rs 23,547 crore. Please note, after inaugural Fed rate cut, focus turns to US PCE inflation to trickle on Friday, 27th September. Buzzing stocks. 1. Mandem stock price hit new high at 3,099 rupees as its market cap nears 4 trillion rupees, zooms 100% in 10 months. 2. Indian Energy Exchange, IEX, tumbled 11.5% following reports that the center is considering the implementation of market coupling for power exchanges. 3. Shares of AstraZeneca Pharma zoomed 17% higher after the government gave a nod to import durvalumab drug used in treatment of liver and gallbladder cancers.